A mere 5 months ago, the Ilimo Dairy farm was simply an open field with scattered piles of construction material lying around and what looked like the foundation of a shed. An EMTV crew visited the farm in mid-March this year for a tour of what could be mistaken as wasteland. Today, the farm is buzzing with the sound of construction work as contractors from Dekanai toil to meet deadlines given to them by owners, Innovative Agro Industries. And amidst the chaos in a well-ventilated and quarantined area, some 500 cows rest, ready for production. The farm takes shape rapidly and is expected to supply high-quality dairy products to Papua New Guinean consumers. Products such as milk, yogurt, ice cream, and other dairy snacks. IAI hopes that this will ultimately curb dairy imports and create a sustainable dairy production industry in the country and eventually in the region.
On my left are the young heifers. The total number of young heifers that came in was 260, but at the moment we have 259 due to one loss of cow.
Leanne Jarari, National EMTV News.